A very beautiful and wonderful good morning, my dear students. How are you, children? Hope all are safe at your home. I hope all of you enjoyed your Sankranti holidays. Welcome back to our science online class. Children, once see these pictures. By seeing these, you will be understanding. Now we are starting our 11th lesson, water in our life. Okay, let us start our 11th lesson, water in our life. Okay, children. During the festival of Holi, Arvind was playing with his friends. They had gone to the market and bought different colors. They mixed each color in a bucket of water and poured mugs full of water on each other. They sprayed colors on each other as well. Arvind and all his friends were completely drenched and enjoyed themselves a lot. Then they decided to go and have a wash. They went to a well and took bath with several buckets of water. They washed their clothes as well. Children, here Arvind played a lot with his friends with the colors. So what will be happening? The clothes and the body will be full of colors. So they want to take bath near the well. So they had taken several buckets of water and washed themselves and their clothes. If there was no water, what would happen to Arvind and his friends? For what purpose do we need water in our life? So, let us know how the water is used in our daily life. Water is a precious natural resource. All living things need water for their survival. Uses of water. We need water for several purposes in our daily activities like cooking, bathing, cleaning, washing, brushing teeth, gardening, farming, and industrial purpose as well. Where does the water come from? Sources of water. There are three main sources of water. They are rainwater, groundwater, and surface water. Rainwater. Rain is major component of water cycle. It deposits most of the fresh water on the earth. Surface water is the water above ground. Rain fills water in rivers, lakes, ponds, streams, seas and oceans. So rainwater is filled in the water bodies. Surface water shall be consumed only after it has been properly filtered and disinfected. Groundwater. During the rains, some water seeps into the ground, which is called groundwater. Groundwater is the water present beneath Earth's surface. It can be consumed using wells, tube wells, and hand pumps. Children, all of you open page number 106. See here, uses of water in our daily life. Already we learned how the water is used in our daily life. See these pictures. See, for cooking, bathing, washing, cleaning our teeth, and drinking. Isn't it? Okay, these are our daily activities when we are using water. Okay, uses of water in our daily life. Once again, washing, cooking, bathing, cleaning, and drinking. Okay, these are our daily activities. Our next topic is measuring the volume of water. Measuring the volume of water. Aravind used buckets of water to clean the clothes from his body and his clothes. Isn't it? Aravind already played with the full of colors. Aravind and his friends. Isn't it? They used buckets of water to clean themselves. They used buckets of water to clean the colors from his body and his clothes. He said he used 7 buckets of water. How many buckets of water he used? 7 buckets of water. Is bucket a measure of the volume of water used? అంటే మనము మెజర్మెంట్ బకెట్స్ ద్వారా తీసుకుంటామా? ఈజ్ బకెట్ ఎ మెజర్ ఆఫ్ ద వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్? వాటర్ని మెజర్ చేయడానికి బకెట్ని యూజ్ చేయొచ్చా అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. How do we measure the volume of water? Actually, how the water liquids are used to measure? Liquids are used to measure in liters, isn't it? As we learned in our earlier classes, okay, volume of water, that means water is a liquid. So liquids are measured in liters and milliliters, isn't it? Okay, we can keep water in different vessels. మనం ఏం చేస్తాము? వాటర్ని వేరు పాత్రల్లో పెడుతూ ఉంటాము. అవునా? బిందెలో పెడతాము, బకెట్లో పెడతాము, టబ్లో ఉంచుతాము. అవునా? we can keep water in different vessels. Often we say a glass of water. వాటర్ గ్లాస్లో మనం తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఎ గ్లాస్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ అంటాము. బకెట్ ఫుల్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ ఏమంటాము? బకెట్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు బకెట్ ఫుల్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ అంటాము. బాటిల్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్, బాటిల్లో వాటర్ ఉన్నప్పుడు మనం ఏమంటాము? బాటిల్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్, ఎక్సెట్రా. లైక్ దట్ వీ కెన్ సే ఇన్ డిఫరెంట్, వీ కెన్ కీప్ వాటర్ ఇన్ డిఫరెంట్ వెసల్స్. డూ యూ నో any specific unit of measurement of volume? Yes, there is a specific unit of measurement of volume of water, isn't it? As we discussed, specific unit is liters. To measure the liquids, we use, what is the specific unit? Yes, liters. Okay? Now, let us know how the water and other liquids are measured. See in page number 107. Do you know water and other liquids as well is measured in liters and milliliters? Underline liters and milliliters. Always remember, the water and other liquids are measured in liter and milliliters. The water tanks in some villages and most towns and cities have the capacity to store gallons of water. See, when the water is in tanks, we can measure in gallons. Okay, ఏమంటాము, ట్యాంక్లో వాటర్ మనము నిల్వ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు కదా, ఊర్లో మనకి ట్యాప్ ద్వారా వచ్చే వాటర్ ట్యాంక్స్లో స్టోర్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. ఓకే, దట్ వాటర్ ఈజ్ మెజర్డ్ ఇన్ గ్యాలన్స్. ఓకే, ద కెపాసిటీ టు స్టోర్ గ్యాలన్స్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్. Gallon is also a measure of volume of liquid. So gallon is also a measure of volume of liquid. Okay ma? Water level in the reservoirs is measured in feet. రిజర్వాయర్స్ మనం చూస్తూ ఉంటాం కదా, ఇప్పుడు కిన్నెర్సాని ఉంది. ఓకే, వి టేక్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ యాజ్ కిన్నెర్సాని. when it is in rainy season, the water used to increase, isn't it? The rainwater, as the rain falls, the water used to increase. So they will be measuring the level in feet. The water level in the reservoirs is measured in feet. You will be seeing in the news also. In Kinnarsani Dam, the water used to be high at 50 feet high. అలా చెప్తూ ఉంటారు. అంటే 50 అడుగుల ఎత్తులో నీరు ప్రవహిస్తూ ఉంది అని చెప్తూ ఉంటారు. అవునా? వాటర్ రిలీజ్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద డ్యామ్స్ అండ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ డ్యూరింగ్ ఫ్లడ్స్ ఈజ్ మెజర్డ్ ఇన్ క్యూసెక్స్ అంటే క్యూబిక్ సెంటీమీటర్స్. వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారు, రైనీ సీజన్లో వాటర్ మనకి డ్యామ్స్ అండ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ద్వారా అంటే మనకి వదిలేస్తూ ఉంటారు. అవునా? గేట్లు ఎత్తివేశారు, కిన్నెర్సాని గేట్లు ఎత్తారంట, అలా అంటూ ఉంటారు కదా. అలా వాళ్ళు తీసినప్పుడు ఆ వాటర్ రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది, గేట్స్ ద్వారా రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది. అప్పుడు దాన్ని ఏమంటారు, క్యూసెక్స్ అంటాము, లేదా క్యూబిక్ సెంటీమీటర్స్ పర్ సెకండ్ అంటాము. ఓకే, cubic centimeters per second, cusecs. Okay ma? So the water is measured in liters and milliliters. If the water is in large quantities in tanks, it is measured in gallons. Okay, when we use the water in the projects, dams and projects, okay, the reservoirs, the water is measured in feet. When the water is released, okay, during the floods, what it is called, cusecs. Okay, all of you go through this box. Okay children? So children, I hope all of you understand the given topics about water in our daily life. So save the water, don't waste it. Okay, now how we are wasting the water, let us discuss in the next class. So all of you go through the textbook, read thoroughly, you will be understanding better. Now all of you open the classwork. Now let us start the 11th lesson in the classwork.